Laptops are developed for enhancing the portability of the personal computer, and it was a revolutionary development of computing technology. Computer manufacturers have been upgrading laptops' technical ability since 1981, when Osborne first introduced the first laptop to us. As a result, we now have powerful gaming laptops for playing games, doing video editing, graphic designing, and programming. There are many gaming laptops available, but selecting the right laptop is what matters for a passionate gamer. For our game-loving subscribers, we've chosen MSI GS65 gaming laptop today.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The MSI GS65 is a stylish and thin squared shaped laptop designed by MSI for the purpose of high power processing. It comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare wide view diagonal screen that produces bright visual output. The screen refresh rate is 144 Hz in 3 milliseconds, and 72% NTSC is the perfect screen for playing games. The thin bezel of the lap makes the laptop stylish. MSI GS65 has got a 6GB DDR6 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 20 series graphics processor, which makes the gameplay smooth. MSI GS65 is a powerful gaming laptop. It's got 8th generation 2.2 GHz Intel Core i7 processor, which is truly powerful at processing commands. The processor performs great when you play games or work on some powerful software. RAM is another important aspect of a computer, and the laptop comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM that has a memory speed of 2666 MHz. A powerful processor and 16GB memory make the computer ultra fast. You can expect up to 100 FPS at 1080p and around 80 FPS at 1440p resolution. A perfect output for playing some great games with the laptop. The laptop comes with good battery life. Its battery can last up to 8 hours. It's equipped with 500GB PCI Express solid-state hard drive, which ensures faster storage access. Windows 10 is installed on the laptop along with other necessary applications. MSI GS65 has got all modern connectivity features, including HDMI, USB, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. The laptop has got a fantastic Cooler Boost Trinity plus cooling technology to keep the heat under control when you're busy with gaming. It's time for us to investigate the user reviews of the laptop to find out what customers are talking about the product. The MSI GS65 has got 4.1 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 360 customer ratings. It's got good ratings for screen quality, material quality, gaming performance, and battery life. Here are some comments from users. One person gave 5 stars and wrote, "Computer is thin, light, and beautiful. Super fast, and gaming is a breeze. I consider myself a light gamer, playing simulation world-building management games like City Skylines, Tropico 5, Sims 4-3, Project High-Rise, and this computer takes everything you throw at it." Another user has given 5 stars and commented, "I'm a 3D artist. This computer can handle everything I've thrown at it, even 4K rendering. It's a beast, and I'm damn happy with it." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "The laptop will continue working, but the fan will constantly make this rattling sound that isn't drowned out by earbuds, headphones, or even noise-cancelling headphones." That's all we have on the MSI GS65 15.6-inch gaming laptop for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.